Buongiorno and welcome to the big beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen. I'm Chef Richie and today we're going to cook Chef Jennifer Peters' recipe for Mediterranean potato salad. No mayo, olive oil, a little apple vinegar. Here we go. Okay, first things first, we have to get the potatoes cooked and then cooled. So let's get them into our water. You have two choices. You can either put them into boiling water, which will be faster, or you can start with potatoes in cold water. Some people prefer. All right, the potatoes are going. Now let's get chopping. We'll take our already boiled eggs and we'll do a rough chop. This way, when we go to stir up all of the ingredients together, the egg will maintain some of its integrity in pieces. We have our parsley here that we grew in our garden. Now, because you're the chef, you can use whatever herbs you want. Spruce it up. Oregano, marjoram, basil. Depends on the season and when things are at their height. This parsley came from the garden this morning and let's get it chopped. Let's strain the potatoes out of the water. Took about 10 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are cooling and now we're gonna get whisking. We're gonna use the flavored oil from Bella San Luci's Pride and Joy, the julienne sun-dried tomatoes with Italian herbs. We're also going to add, because Chef Peters calls for 5 tablespoons of oil, we're going to add another 2 or 3 tablespoons here of our Bella San Luci estate grown Arbequina olive oil. We're then going to add the apple cider vinegar, our chopped garlic. You want to get every little piece of chopped garlic for that big bold flavor. And then the stone ground mustard. And Chef Peters says salt and pepper to taste. I like big bold flavor, so a nice big pinch of pepper. And same for the salt. Okay, the potatoes are cool, or they're really at room temp. If you're a little impatient like me, room temperature is fine. Here come the tomatoes. We're gonna mix everything together now. All of our ingredients, and we're just gonna add everything else. Olives. We're using green olives today. Our chopped egg. We're adding red onion. And now our sauce. Let's get every drop of the sauce in there. Let's do the big mix up. Lovely. Looks great. Lots of green and red and white, just like the Italian flag. And it smells great. The stone ground mustard is coming through very nicely. A little bit of garlic, the parsley. Okay, Chef Jennifer, congratulations on your honorable mention for this month. Everybody, please get your recipes into bellasanluci.com. Please be creative with sun-dried tomatoes and have a wonderful springtime.